ora! Ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, and I thought that the last day of 2020 might be a good day to talk about how to say 2021 in Te Reo Māori. 2021, or however you like to say it, but in Te Reo Māori, this is how you say it. So the thousands column is called mano, mano for 1,000, reo for hundreds, te kau for the tens, and just the singles is ma for and then the numbers. So this one's ma tahi. So we've got rua mano. So you put the number down like that underneath the column till you get used to it. Rua mano, 2,000. There's nothing here, so we don't say it. Rua mano, rua te kau, because there's two of them, ma tahi. Rua mano, rua te kau, ma tahi is 2021. If we wanted to say this year, it would be rua mano, rua te kau. We don't say anything. If there's a zero, we don't say anything. Let's say it's a smaller number and there's no thousands. Let's say we want to say the name, perhaps we've got a street name, a street number that starts with 8. So that would be, if it's 800 and something, that would be waru rau. Let's say there's a 4 here. Waru rau, wha te kau, ma toru. So that's how you would say 843 in Te Reo Māori. Waru rau, wha te kau, ma toru. Remember to say the ma at the end. If it's a number like 560, this would be rima rau, ono te kau, full stop. You only say the ma for the singles. So this is rima rau, ono te kau, 560. One last one. So let's say it's 1,100 and so let's say that's the number you live at. So usually for if it's at the beginning of the number, so for this I would say ko tahi mano, not tahi mano. Ko tahi mano. If it was the beginning here, if this wasn't there, I'd say ko tahi rau. But I say ko tahi mano, tahi rau, ma whitu. Ma whitu, had a blank then. Ko tahi mano, tahi rau, ma whitu. So you could be able to do that for any numbers and just practice them. Perhaps have a chart up. And what I do is when I go on my walks, I look at the numbers on the letter boxes or any other numbers around and I practice them. And you don't need to do it this way once you get used to it. But I just thought that might be a good thing to do if you don't already know how to automatically know the high numbers in Te Reo Māori. Ka kite.